Hey guys, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. So I wanted to chat with you a little bit more about what to do after your adjustments, okay? And this is not just for the first one, but every adjustment in the future. This is the protocol, basically, for us to help you the best. So I always want you to drink a lot of water, right? It's kind of like after a massage, we're releasing a lot of toxins in the joints or muscles. I want you to flush those out, or you might get a dull headache or a little achy. It'll prevent that if you just drink a lot of water after each adjustment, okay? If you're sore at all, it's actually a good thing. I'll never injure you. There's not anything I'm doing in here that will actually injure you or hurt you. However, some things may be uncomfortable. You may be sore. It's like starting a new exercise program. I don't care what it is. If you're not used to it, you're probably going to be sore. So don't let that soreness scare you. It's actually, we get excited when that happens because we know we're changing some things. Your center of gravity will start to change. Your levers and pulleys and biomechanics will start to change. You might feel some of that. And that's a good thing. So what I want you to do is after every adjustment, I want you to pay attention to your body, be hyper aware of your body for the next 72 hours. As soon as you get up off these tables after your adjustment or after laser or anything, be aware of your body. I want to know, let me or my team know what your body does for the next 72 hours after. That helps us get better at helping you. Some people say, hey, the next day my left knee bothered me. I'm like, well, I didn't even touch your knee, right? You can see how that works. We're changing things around. You might start to feel that, and we want you to feel that because we have old patterns that our body gets comfortable in. The whole point of you being here and us working on you is to build a new, better pattern. And like a new exercise program, you might be sore from that. So drink a lot of water. We have a CBD balm that works really well topically. It kind of works like BioFreeze. Let us know if you're really sore. We can teach you how to ice properly. We can get you under our cold laser, which is incredible. If you're not doing that as part of your care plan, you may think about doing that. It's literally the most effective, evidence-based physiotherapy in the world. They're incredible. They're low-level lasers. There's over 10,000 studies with them. So we can use that if you're sore, okay? So just pay attention for the next 72 hours. Let me know what happens every time, whether it's your first adjustment or 100th adjustment in our office. I want to know what happens. We get very good at helping people when you give us that little 10-second update every time you come in. Look forward to building this new pattern in your body. Each adjustment will build on the next. If you're sore or anything happens, just let us know and we'll work through it. And we're excited to get you to a new, better place in the future. Thank you.